Want to lose weight while you sleep? It might sound too good to be true, but the right nighttime habits can boost fat burning and help you wake up feeling lighter. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more health and weight loss tips. Now let's break down exactly what you should do before bed to start shedding pounds overnight. 1. Drink warm lemon water. Drinking a glass of warm lemon water before bed helps boost digestion and detoxify the liver. It contains vitamin C, which supports metabolism and fat breakdown overnight. The warm temperature soothes the digestive tract, reducing bloating and water retention. Lemon water also helps alkalize the body, balancing pH levels for better fat burning. It can aid in reducing cravings and preventing late-night snacking habits. Hydration before sleep keeps the body functioning efficiently during rest. The natural enzymes in lemon help flush out toxins that slow metabolism. 2. Avoid late-night snacking. Eating late at night can lead to excess calorie consumption and weight gain. The body's metabolism slows down in the evening, making it harder to burn extra calories. Sugary or high-carb snacks can spike insulin levels, leading to fat storage. Late-night eating can disrupt the body's natural fasting period, affecting digestion. High-fat and processed foods can cause bloating and discomfort before bed. Choosing herbal tea or water instead of food can curb cravings effectively. Creating a structured eating schedule helps train the body for proper digestion. 3. Practice deep breathing and meditation. Stress increases cortisol levels, which leads to weight gain, especially around the belly. Meditation helps lower stress hormones, promoting a calm and balanced state. Deep breathing improves oxygen flow, which enhances metabolism and fat oxidation. Relaxation techniques before bed support quality sleep, which is crucial for weight loss. A well-rested body is more efficient at burning fat and managing appetite hormones. Breathing exercises stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, aiding digestion. 4. Perform light stretching or yoga. Gentle stretching before bed relaxes muscles and promotes better circulation. Yoga poses help activate the parasympathetic nervous system, reducing stress. Certain yoga stretches improve digestion and reduce bloating overnight. Stretching can relieve tension, preventing midnight discomfort that disrupts sleep. Increased flexibility and mobility contribute to overall physical well-being. Engaging in light activity burns extra calories without overexerting the body. 5. Use apple cider vinegar before bed. Apple cider vinegar can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce insulin spikes. It promotes digestion and helps break down fats more efficiently. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps suppress appetite and curb late-night cravings. Drinking apple cider vinegar with warm water improves gut health and detoxification. It may enhance metabolism, promoting better fat burning while sleeping. Apple cider vinegar supports liver function, which plays a key role in weight loss. A small amount before bed can prevent bloating and indigestion. 6. Ensure a dark, cool sleeping environment. Sleeping in a dark room promotes melatonin production, which aids fat loss. Lower room temperatures encourage brown fat activation, burning extra calories. A well-ventilated, cool room enhances sleep quality and recovery. Blue light from screens can disrupt sleep hormones, leading to weight gain. Blocking out light with blackout curtains or an eye mask can improve deep sleep. A comfortable, cool environment supports the body's natural thermoregulation. Sleeping in complete darkness ensures optimal hormone balance for metabolism. 7. Drink herbal tea for digestion and relaxation. Herbal teas like chamomile, peppermint, or ginger aid digestion before bed. These teas help relax the nervous system, promoting deep sleep and recovery. Ginger tea can boost metabolism and reduce bloating overnight. Chamomile tea lowers stress levels, helping the body burn fat more efficiently. Peppermint tea soothes the stomach and reduces cravings for unhealthy snacks. Drinking tea without caffeine ensures restful sleep without disturbances. Warm tea can create a comforting bedtime ritual that prevents emotional eating. 8. Practice intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting helps regulate blood sugar and enhances fat burning overnight. Avoiding food for at least 12 to 14 hours allows the body to enter a fat-burning state. The fasting period promotes cellular repair and detoxification during sleep. Skipping late-night meals prevents insulin spikes that lead to fat storage. Intermittent fasting supports better digestion and reduces bloating. The body shifts to using stored fat for energy, leading to gradual weight loss. A structured eating window prevents overeating and unnecessary calorie intake. 9. Massage with essential oils. A light massage with essential oils before bed can improve blood circulation. Certain oils, like lavender and grapefruit, aid in fat breakdown and relaxation. Massaging the abdomen helps stimulate digestion and reduce bloating overnight. Essential oils can reduce stress, lowering cortisol levels that contribute to weight gain. Applying oils with a carrier oil ensures safe absorption into the skin. A gentle massage promotes lymphatic drainage, removing toxins from the body. Regular use of slimy oils like ginger or cypress can enhance fat metabolism. 10. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is one of the most important factors for weight loss. Poor sleep disrupts hunger hormones, leading to increased cravings and overeating. Deep sleep promotes fat burning and muscle recovery overnight. Sleeping at least 7 to 9 hours ensures optimal metabolic function. Lack of sleep increases cortisol levels, which encourages fat storage. A consistent sleep schedule improves energy levels and exercise performance. Proper rest supports the body's ability to regulate appetite and digestion. Small nighttime habits can lead to big weight loss results. Which tip will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on fitness, nutrition, and healthy living. Stay tuned for more ways to